If you look at IT over time, it is becoming more and more critical to every organisation.
Without the IT infrastructure, nothing else happens. So we are an enabler. We aren't out there at the pointy end and people don't necessarily see us, but without us there isn't anything.
Businesses don't operate without IT these days, so they're critical to our business. They're really intertwined with what we do.
My name is Jason Goff, Managing Director of Iocane.
Darren Squire's my name, and I'm the Sales Manager at Iocane.
I'm Stephen McGregor, I'm the Finance Director here at Korvest.
Korvest was a really interesting project and ongoing customer for Iocane.
Korvest's a listed manufacturing business, head officed in Adelaide. Hills was a major shareholder of ours. They owned almost half of us for probably 15 or 20 years. During that time, we were very much a subsidiary. We used a lot of their services and were part of their business, albeit that we were still a listed company in our own right.
5-6 years ago now, Hills Holdings, who's the parent company, were looking at divesting the organisation, and that led to some interesting business challenges at Korvest.
Hills divesting was pretty significant for us as a business. From an operational level, there were lots of things that we were very much intertwined with Hills. They supported us a lot with our finance systems, our IT, HR, a lot of those sort of system-based things. We were very much part of the Hills processes and systems. So the divestment meant that we needed to get the resources that we'd previously used via Hills into the business from an outsourced provider.
So we went through a whole business review process with them about what was their core business, what did they want to do and what didn't they want to do. And in the end, Korvest decided that we would be their IT department.
Iocane's offering was a full service offering. It was everything that we needed. They provided the people, the infrastructure options for us, the advice that we needed. So they really covered the full gamut of all the services that Hills had previously provided for us in a one-stop shop.
We built out a test and development environment for Korvest to build out a new set of core business applications on the Iocane cloud. We then moved into what it was going to look like to work in kind of a parallel environment for Korvest, where they were working in part on new systems that we'd established with them, but also with existing commercial systems from their parent company.
We moved the file servers and the email away first, but we were still using the Hills ERP system at that time and for a while longer, so we were half out of the Hills environment and half in it. And Iocane was really good at facilitating that interaction with Hills so that it still worked for the business and we weren't left high and dry.
Once we'd moved through that transition process and that sort of shared services process, we very much moved into a business as usual approach where Korvest never really needed to build out an IT department per se. They use Iocane for all IT support services.
So we essentially report into their CFO, and there's an on-site person we work with to liaise, but essentially everything is outsourced to us. It's our infrastructure they run on, it's all of our people that manage it.
Iocane really is a corporate partner to Korvest. They're our IT go-to people and they're providing us with advice on what we should be doing in the same way that an in-house CIO would be.
So if we look at some of our technology partners and how it is that we deliver solutions to our customers, if we look at Cisco as a major technology partner of Iocane's, they offer us what is acknowledged in the industry as the best that you can go to. We are building mission critical systems that just have to work, so we need the confidence in the underlying technology. The Iocane cloud runs on Cisco UCS compute. In the data centre we use Cisco Nexus switching. We did a network refresh of a number of devices for Korvest, and all of the distributed routers and switching in that environment is Cisco. So they feature prominently in what we do at Korvest.
We've had great experiences working with Iocane. The most positive thing is that the systems run, and it sounds pretty basic, but that's really what everyone wants, is that they want their computer to do what it's meant to do when they turn it on, and that's the critical part. So it's almost the unnoticeable things that make them valued to the business.
Our best engagements with customers are very much where we get engaged at a business level to really understand what it is that we're trying to achieve together.
That's all IT is. IT is a business service that supports the business delivering something to someone else. And that's what we try and do.